Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how to make a basic capsules and powders. Powdered herbs are most easily taken as capsules but can be sprinkled on food or taken with water. Externally, they can be applied as a dusting powder to the skin or mixed with tinctures as a poultice. Reputable herbal suppliers are the best place to buy powdered herbs and, in general, the finer the powder the better the grade and quality. Gelatin or vegetarian capsule cases are also available from specialist outlets. Powdered slippery elm, Ulmus rubra, makes a useful base for poultices and astringents such as witch hazel may be applied to weeping skin or mixed into ointments for hemorrhoids and varicose veins. Standard quantity. Fill size 00 capsules, which contain approximately 250 mg of powdered herb. Standard dosage. Take 2 to 3 capsules twice a day. Storage. Store in airtight, dark glass containers in a cool place for up to 3 to 4 months. Now that we know all that, let's tell you how to make it. Making capsules. 1. Pour the powder into a saucer and slide the capsule halves towards one another, scooping up the powder, or use a capsules making tray. 2. When the halves of the capsule are full of powder, slide them together without spilling the powder and store. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.